In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Skool free trial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm the cancellation so you're not charged when the trial ends. Start by signing into your Skool account and opening the specific group where your free trial is active. You need administrator access for that group to make billing changes. If you don't see admin options inside the group, you might be in the wrong workspace or signed in with the wrong account, so double check you're in the right place. Once you're in the correct group, look to the top of the page for your group name. Click it to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to the group's settings area. Think of it as the control center for everything related to that group, including billing. Inside Settings, navigate to the Billing tab. On some screens, especially if your browser is zoomed in or if you're on a smaller display, the Billing tab can be pushed out of view. If you don't see it right away, zoom out by pressing Ctrl and the minus key on Windows, or Command and the minus key on Mac, until the tab becomes visible. If you're on a mobile device and it's hard to find, switching to a desktop browser can make this step easier. In the Billing section, find and click Manage Subscription. This opens the billing portal for your group's plan. It may appear as a new page or a pop-up, and it's where you can view your current plan details and make changes. From there, click Cancel Subscription. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. You may be asked to select a reason or confirm once more. Read each message carefully so you understand whether cancellation takes effect immediately or at the end of your trial period. The key point is that once you've confirmed, your subscription will not renew and you will not be charged when the trial ends. After confirming, look for a final success message indicating the cancellation went through. It's a good idea to take a quick screenshot or note the confirmation just for your records. You may also receive an email confirming the change, so keep an eye on your inbox associated with the account. That's it. Log in as an administrator, go to Settings, open the Billing tab, select Manage Subscription, and then Cancel Subscription to confirm. Follow these steps and you'll wrap up your Skool free trial with confidence and clarity.